To allow me to use a Raspberry Pi Pico or Pico W on a project board, I often choose to use an external LED rather than that onboard LED. That means that of course I should be reviewing the datasheet for that LED and doing some maths to calculate the currents involved and working out what that resistor should be. Some quick hacks will give me an acceptable result though, nearly every time, certainly good enough for working on a breadboard. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, robotics, IoT and other fun tech. This is my 3-minute summary of my tutorial on flashing an external LED from the Raspberry Pi Pico. If you have time, why not check out the full video? LEDs come in a variety of sizes and colours. They also come in through-hole packaging to go through a PCB or onto a breadboard, or surface mount, though I mainly use through-hole LEDs. You also get LEDs that contain multiple LED components within a single common package, such as an RGB or red, green and blue LED. We can connect an LED to the Pico in two models. The more normal is where we connect the anode of the LED to the GPIO pad via a resistor, the cathode going to the ground. You can also connect the anode to a 3.3 volts via the resistor and then the cathode to the GPIO pad, though now the LED lights when the GPIO pad goes low. LEDs take a variety of different forward voltages and currents. We should calculate what resistor we need to use. This is the approach. When experimenting with the circuit, generally we use a default resistor though. I tend to use a value between 75 ohms and 120 ohms, and that will work in 99% of the cases. So in this example on GitHub, I'm going to build a project to flash an external LED connected to GPIO pad 2. I'm using a 75 ohm resistor in this example. The code to flash the LED looks very like the code we used to flash the onboard LED for the Pico. The only change is defining the LED pin. Then we have a program to flash our external LED. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Goodbye for now.